In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Perplexity read Google Drive documents. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to seamlessly connect and access your Google Drive content directly through Perplexity. First, we start by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's main page. Once there, in the search bar, you will need to type Perplexity. After hitting search, you should see the Perplexity website listed among the results. Go ahead and click the link to open the Perplexity website. When you land on their homepage, the next step is to connect Google Drive to Perplexity. To begin this connection, locate the clip icon, usually found at the top interface of Perplexity. This icon is essential because it provides connection options. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a list of options. Scroll through and select Google Drive. At this point, it's important to ensure that you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser. This will streamline the authentication process. By clicking Google Drive, you'll be prompted to grant Perplexity access to your drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow this access. Doing so will link your Drive documents with Perplexity, enabling the application to retrieve and interact with your files. Now, with the connection set, let's proceed with an example to see how this works. In the Perplexity platform, continue by typing recipes in the search or prompt box. This searches for any documents related to recipes in your connected Google Drive. Upon executing this command, a list of documents from your drive will appear on the screen. Next, find a document titled Recipe from the list and click on it. By doing this, you're instructing Perplexity to open and read the selected document. It's as simple as that. With the document open, the next task is to create a prompt. In this context, we will make a full recipe guide based on the document we selected. For instance, you could write a prompt like, "Make a full recipe guide on number 13. Once your prompt is ready, you will then click the Submit button. This action confirms the prompt, and you will soon see Perplexity generating a complete recipe guide for the document you highlighted. This particular example used gelato Italiano as an item to see if Perplexity could create a recipe, and indeed it does an excellent job by providing a detailed recipe. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Google Drive to Perplexity and unlocked a new way to read and analyze your documents right from the comfort of this powerful tool. I hope this guide has been helpful, providing you with the knowledge to integrate and make the most out of Perplexity and Google Drive together. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.